Way down deep in the bowels of the Pate residence, another JP vid is forming. I want to show you my idea of a solar water heater. This pipe right here goes outside the cold water pipe. It goes outside just before it enters the hot water heater, which is right there. And then it comes in on this one, comes back in on this one, and goes into the water heater. A preheater of sorts. Wanted to show you that part before I show you the outside. Right there is where it comes out of the basement wall. Cold water coming from this pipe and hot water returning into that one. Cold water pipe going up to the roof. And let me see if I can get a view on the roof. There we go. That tangled hose mess is a water heater just lying on the roof. Black plastic pipe. And don't remember, probably 100 feet or so, maybe, more or less, I don't know. Then it comes back off of there, out of that mess, and goes down, back down off the roof, and goes into a water heater. And the other thing that I did was an outdoor shower. Right there is my outdoor shower. You can see how terrible dry it is right now. It's just very dry here. And so here's my idea for the outdoor shower. It goes into a T from the hot water side coming off the roof into a T, goes straight to the shower head. If the sun is shining on the roof, the water actually gets too hot for a shower. So what I did was I put a connector between the cold and the hot coming off the roof. So, and put a valve there, obviously. So the way it works, if you open the shower head valve here, there you go. Outdoor shower. Open that up, and there, looks like that. Open that up, and if it's too hot, come back here to this valve and open it up, and that allows cold water to cross over through this connector and go up and mix in with the hot water coming off the roof. It's unconventional, but it actually does work because it takes more pressure to feed that coil all the way up to the roof and come back down with hot water than it does to feed across here and go straight up here and back into this line that goes out to the shower head. So you can adjust how much cold you want to mix into the hot coming down off the roof, if that makes sense. Close it off, and then it's straight off the roof, and right now it's actually quite warm. So there you go. That's my idea of a solar water heater and a outdoor shower tied into it. I totally love it. Thanks for watching.